scary combination. This is either really good or really bad. We have the Wheel, which is fate, and we have the Tower card with it. So we're either getting a really good surprise or we're getting a really bad surprise. So let's get into it and see what they are delivering for us. Oh, I've just flipped one. I'm scared. Okay, the World. So we have a new cycle. We're entering into a new cycle. Something that brings us a new opportunity, something that changes our world. Look at that with the Fool card. So this is a brand new opportunity coming in, and it's brought in through divine timing, through divine intervention, and it's a brand new beginning for you. So if you have been letting go of an old cycle, letting go of a person, place, job, this is the start of that new kind of turning point where they're kind of pushing you forward now. So it's time to take the leap of faith. If this is about finances, you are about to come into a lot of money off the back of this. It could be a promotion, it could be a windfall, it could just be you finally getting into a position in life where you can retire or start over, or you've got that peace of mind financially coming in off the back of this change and this shift. So having the Tower moment with that would mean that we have something very pleasant coming in, something very kind of, where you like the cat that got the cream. Yes. Ooh. Ten of Swords and the Death. It's done. The old life is gone. This couldn't be any clearer that we're stepping into a whole new life. So if you're starting a new relationship, then this is the start of the rest of your life. If you are leaving a person, then that is the right move because this change is necessary. If you're starting a new job, moving overseas, moving area, this is just confirmation that you are doing the right thing and you are going to be happy off the back of it. So even if it feels difficult right now, what is coming is going to be wonderful, okay? This is extremely positive for finances, for kind of independence and stability. So this looks good. I feel like there's an offer on the table here, and I feel as though, again, this is great riches. So we definitely have something financial coming in. It's brand new, it's an opportunity, grab it with both hands. This can give you the financial freedom that you're looking for in life, where you can really be that empress or emperor on your throne, but you have it all. You have the contentment of knowing that you have the financial security. Sometimes that weighs heavier on people's minds than relationships do. And so this is a sign that everything is going to be okay financially. You are finally going to get what you deserve. It's coming in. It's very solid. Okay. So nobody can take this away from you. This is just for you. I actually feel like it's quite lucky, this spread, what I can see. So, play the lottery, enter that raffle, do whatever you do that kind of makes you feel like you're in with a chance here, because I feel like this is the time. The energy is very clear around you. The energy is very kind of almost like honest. That's the way I want to describe that. I feel as though there's no haziness here, okay? So make sure you're stepping into that energy. I feel as though we've got this and this have disappeared. That is why we've got the clarity there. You're feeling good, or you will be feeling very good on an emotional level, on just a personal level. You're going to be kind of pushing into this new phase with a smile on your face, okay? So let's just get some oracle cards before we finish off. But you have a very nice surprise coming in. It's unexpected, but it's very nice. It might even be you being leveled up to a higher level of finances that you never thought you could have, that you never expected to have. It could be somebody giving you that life. It could be you giving it to yourself. It could just be a big present from the divine. I'm not saying everybody's going to win the lottery, but there's a chance here that it could feel like you've won the lottery with something that happens for you. So it's a summer of growth, and it comes in very unexpected. See, truth again. There's something about... This is how it's supposed to be. This is what you are supposed to have. This is your destiny. So when this opportunity comes in, know that you're worth this. This is for you. And this maybe was always your destiny, but other things were in the way of it. So please know that this is for you.